This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, power-adjustable driver pedals, cooled driver and passenger seats, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, big 20-inch wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Hagerty Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 330 East Roosevelt Road in West Chicago.